Hi guys, today we are going to listen an interesting chapter, that is force and pressure. First of all, we can see something as introduction. So, what do you do to make a football move? What do you do to make a moving ball move faster? How does a goalkeeper stop a ball? How do fielders stop a ball hit by a batsman? The answer of all the questions above is the force. Force. Force is defined as the push or pull that was exerted by the living things. To apply force to an object, interaction between object and source of force is necessary. The force in case of two objects is one which applied force and the other one received the force. Example, to kick ball, we need to push it, and to pick the book, we need to pull it. Direction and magnitude. So, the measurement of strength and amount of force is called the magnitude. We can apply two or more forces on the same object in the same or opposite direction. When we apply two or more forces over an object in the same direction, then the total or net force is the addition of magnitude of both the forces. Now, let us see an example. When two persons push the box in the same direction with the magnitude of force of each 2n, then the resultant force will be, so the net force equal to 2n plus 2n, that is equal to 4n. That is in the direction of applied force. Here is the demonstration. When two forces are applied over an object in the opposite direction, the total effective or net force is the difference of magnitude of two forces. Here is an example. When two persons push the box in the opposite direction with the magnitude of force of each 2n, then resultant force will be, so the net force equal to 2n minus 2n, that is equal to 0n, that is box will not move. Here is the demonstration. Now, effect of forces. Force can change the state of motion. This is the first condition. While taking a penalty kick in football, the player applies a force on the ball. Before being hit, the ball was at rest state, so its speed was 0. The applied force makes the ball move towards the goal, that is, it is in the motion state. From these observations suggest that a force applied on an object may change its speed. If force applied on the object is in the direction of its motion, then the speed of the object increases. If the force is applied in the direction opposite to the direction of the motion, then it results in the decrease in the speed of the object. Second condition is force can change the shape of object. Example, a hammer beating a piece of metal, so the shape of the metal changes. Here is the figure. It is important to remember that none of these actions can take place without the action of a force. Thus, an object cannot move by itself. It cannot change speed by itself. It cannot change direction by itself. And its shape cannot change by itself. Okay guys, I hope all of you understood this session. We will reach you on the next session. Bye.